Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy Wynn and this is my second YouTube video and I'm very excited to show you guys how to do this look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs up if you like it. And stay tuned for more glam tan videos. First, I'm going to use the Clinique Better Essence Lotion. It's for dry and combination skin, which I have. I really have dry skin. Girl skin is like a desert. I'm gonna put that all over my face, and then I'm gonna use my badescu setting spray. Then I'm gonna use my Tarte foundation. It's the American Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation.
Put that here. Then I'm going to use a deep one. I'm going to blend all of it out. So far it looks pretty good. I didn't pour the whole lot on my face because I'm kind of saving it because it's only like a sample size it is, or a travel size. And I don't really buy anymore, so let's mix you what we have.
I'm going to use the Josie Maran concealer in light and put that for my under eyes, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and the middle of my eyebrow. I'm gonna blend out the concealer using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender real quick. Next, I'm gonna use my Morphe banana powder and using my brush from the Morphe travel set and putting the powder all over my face. Then I'm gonna use my brow gel by Benefit to do my brows real quick. For my birthday glam look, we are going to start off with this shade, here. I'm going to put that shade all over my eyelids using the Morphe brush I got in my Morphe travel set. Going in with my another travel set Morphe brush. It's more of a not tapered, but more pointy, dense brush. And I'm going in with this shade and a little bit of this red shade. Dust that off a little and then focus that inner outer crease. Deepen up the outer edges a little. I am going in with the shade and a little bit of black, just a little bit. So I'm going to deepen this.
And using my Anastasia brush, it came in with the modern Renaissance palette. So this is the brush that came with.
To go in and use this flat brush by Morphe, spray it a little with some spray, and I'm gonna use this shade here, and I'm gonna mix it in with the shade here. So it's like a bronze gold kind of deal. And of course, I'm going to go back in the palette. I'm going to use Face and this shade here. So I'm going to mix this shade and Face together for the inner corners of my eye. Then I'm gonna use my Kiko eyeliner and I'm gonna make a wing. And I'm going to put in this heavy metal. It's from Naked Cosmetics. I got it in my January Ipsy bag too. Take a little bit on a wet packing brush and I'm gonna see how this works. Maybe it's like similar to
The shade in James Charles, honestly. Yeah, it's the same, but it's more metallic.
Go back in this palette and use this shade here, base, in a James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use it as blush serum. And it came in my January Ipsy bag, so if you are subscribed to Ipsy, you might get this. It is from Beautaing and Beauty. Use a little bit of this blush.
I haven't really tried this out before. Hopefully good. I'm not putting on so much, but I only look at the crown. I want to look at the crown, so make it a bit of content.
Blend in it with my blender. Then I'm going to take my Nice and Spicy lip liner by MAC, and I'm going to outline my lips. Gloss by Este Lauder, and it's 06 Coral Chic. That's over. So this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Spread some positivity by commenting. And thank you for watching.